globally. A London-based startup called Humanoid has just stepped into the spotlight, unveiling its ambitious plans to develop advanced, scalable, and safe humanoid robots. In a world where tech giants like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Agility Robotics have dominated the conversation, this British company is setting the stage for a new competitor in the rapidly evolving humanoid robotics industry. Humanoid, founded by Artem Sokolov in 2024, it boasts a team of over 70 highly skilled engineers and specialists. This isn't just any team. It includes talent from some of the most respected robotics and AI companies in the world, including Agility Robotics, Sanctuary AI, Boston Dynamics, Apple, and Dyson. Clearly, this startup means business, and it's not just another newcomer. It's a force to be reckoned with. Sokolov's vision is to create humanoid robots that will work alongside humans, not replace them. In a recent press release, he stated, "At Humanoid, our team believes in a future where humans and machines work side by side, not in competition, but in harmony." He believes that humanoid robots can help solve some of society's biggest challenges, including workforce shortages and an aging population. By automating repetitive and physically demanding tasks, these robots could free people to focus on more creative and meaningful work, ultimately improving both productivity and quality of life. This ambitious project is emerging at a crucial time. The UK government is scrambling to keep up in the global AI race, implementing fast-tracked initiatives under its plan for change to accelerate AI and robotics development. While the country has long been a hub for scientific innovation, it has lagged behind in commercializing humanoid robots. Humanoid's emergence is a game changer, marking the UK's official entry into the commercial humanoid robotics sector. Humanoid boldly claims to be the UK's first AI and robotics company dedicated to developing scalable humanoid robots. While this statement is debatable, considering that Cornwall-based Engineered Arts has been in the game for over 20 years, Humanoid is positioning itself as a leader in functional, commercially viable humanoid automation. Engineered Arts has focused on lifelike androids such as Amika, which has captivated audiences worldwide with its expressive human-like face. However, Amika is not designed for industrial or household work, and its mobility is limited. This is where Humanoid aims to make a difference, with robots designed to perform practical tasks in real-world environments. Artem Sokolov's background adds an interesting layer to this story. Before founding Humanoid, he was a global investor and entrepreneur. He grew his family's jewelry business, Sokolov, to a staggering $1 billion valuation. He also co-founded venture builder SKL.VC, which focuses on consumer startups. His LinkedIn profile lists his location as Dubai, adding an international dimension to his business ventures. His motivation for building humanoid robots stems from personal experience. He grew up watching his grandparents perform repetitive and monotonous tasks in their family-owned jewelry company. In a blog post, he shared how their work, confined to the production floor, seemed unfair and uninspiring. Even as a child, he felt that automation could transform lives by eliminating dull, repetitive labor. Years later, that childhood realization led to the founding of Humanoid. The company's mission is clear: to create advanced, scalable, and safe humanoid robots that can seamlessly integrate into daily life. To showcase its vision, Humanoid recently released a teaser video featuring its first robot, HMND-01. This humanoid robot is described as a next-generation labor automation unit, designed to provide efficient services across various industries. Standing at 175 centimeters, 5 feet 9 inches, and weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, the HMND-01 is designed for mobility and functionality. It can walk at 1.5 meters per second, a respectable pace for humanoid robots. Humanoid emphasizes that the robot's actuators are built for high-speed movements, making it efficient for tasks that require agility. The company has developed its own model-based and learning-based locomotion system, allowing the robot to navigate confined spaces with ease. Unlike some humanoid robots that struggle with stability, HMND-01 promises reliable, adaptable movement in dynamic environments. One of the most notable features of HMND-01 is its modular design. Humanoid offers both bipedal and wheeled lower body configurations, allowing customization based on different use cases. The robot is equipped with a 4-hour battery life before needing a recharge, making it suitable for continuous operation in various settings. Another intriguing aspect is the company's plan to introduce customizable garments for its robots. These outfits aren't just for aesthetics. They serve practical purposes, such as protecting the robot's hardware and minimizing contamination in sensitive environments like hospitals or food production facilities. This approach aligns with the broader trend in robotics, where human-like design choices enhance usability and social acceptance. When it comes to carrying capacity, HMND-01 can lift up to 15 kilograms or 33 pounds. While this isn't record-breaking, it's still a solid benchmark for humanoid robots. In comparison, China's UBTECH Walker S1 recently demonstrated its ability to carry a similar load while walking on a treadmill. Meanwhile, another Chinese humanoid, the Kepler Forerunner K2, claims to lift 15 kilograms in each hand. This highlights the fierce competition in the humanoid robotics sector, with multiple companies striving to push technological limits. Another key factor in assessing a humanoid robot's capabilities is its degrees of freedom, DAOF, the number of independent movements it can perform. HMND-01 boasts 41 degrees of freedom, making it relatively advanced compared to many Western-built bipedal robots. Interestingly, Chinese robotics firms tend to emphasize DOF more than their Western counterparts. For instance, Xpeng's Iron Humanoid has an impressive 60 degrees of freedom, while Fourier's GR2 claims 53 degrees of freedom. While higher degrees of freedom can enhance flexibility and dexterity, Humanoid appears to be prioritizing balance between mobility and functional efficiency. Reactions to the teaser video have been mixed. Some viewers were excited by the sleek design and the potential of HMND-01, seeing it as a promising addition to the humanoid robotics industry. Others, however, were skeptical, noting that the promotional material relied heavily on computer-generated imagery, CGI. There is always a degree of skepticism when new robotics companies make bold claims, particularly when they have yet to showcase a working prototype in real-world conditions. Concerns about automation replacing human jobs also resurfaced in the discussion. As humanoid robots become more capable, many workers fear that machines will take over roles traditionally held by humans. While Humanoid insists that its robots are meant to assist rather than replace, this is a debate that continues to evolve across industries. Some argue that robots will create new job opportunities, shifting human workers into supervisory, maintenance, and creative roles. Others worry that widespread automation could lead to significant job displacement, particularly in industries that rely heavily on manual labor. Regardless of public opinion, the global race to develop humanoid robots is accelerating. Companies from the US, China, Japan, and now the UK are pushing boundaries, each aiming to define the future of human-machine collaboration. Humanoid's emergence signals a new chapter in this technological revolution. With its ambitious goals, experienced team, and strategic positioning, it has the potential to become a major player in the robotics landscape. The next big question is whether Humanoid can deliver on its promises. Will we see HMND-01 performing real-world tasks anytime soon? Will the UK establish itself as a leader in humanoid robotics, competing with the likes of Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and China's rising AI firms? Only time will tell. One thing is certain: the world will be watching closely as this British startup attempts to make history in humanoid robotics.